Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to check a GitHub project. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So first things first, we're going to be opening up the official GitHub website right here, github.com. If you're not already, once you open it up, you'll be greeted by the main page. So what we want to do in the main page, in the upper right corner, we're going to have the login button. If you do not already have an account, you can use the sign up button to create an account. And once you have logged in, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, where we can take a look at our repositories right here. We have our home page with all our home info and so on. And now we can get started. So let's go and take a look at how we can check any project that we want. Basically guys, we're going to be opening up the repository of the project. So let's say we want to find the project, we can use the find repository option right here, or you can search right here for other people's repositories. Once you open up a repository, let's click on random repository. Let's say this is the project right here. It's immediately going to take us to the main page of the project where we can find everything we need. So here is the code of the project that is source, so you can take a look at that. Here is the description of the project, and you have the code option right here that you can use and download. So you can download as a zip all the project code right here. This is going to enable you to use it however you want, but basically the repositories are the projects that you can check out, so you can find all the info that you need regarding them right here that you'll be able to use and edit them. So it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.